Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable brand fonts in Mailchimp, full guide step by step clearly. To enable brand fonts in Mailchimp, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. On the main dashboard, navigate to the Audience tab. Select the audience you want to work with, or choose all audiences if needed. Once there, click on Manage Audience and then select Settings. Scroll down to find Branding and click on it. In the Branding settings, look for the Brand Fonts section. Click on Add a Font to begin the process of uploading your custom font. You can either upload a font file or choose from Mailchimp's existing font options. If you are uploading a font file, make sure it is in a supported format like .wav or .ttf. Once you've uploaded your font, it will be added to your brand fonts list. Next, you can set the default font for your campaigns. Select the font you wish to use from your brand fonts list. You can apply this font to headings, body text, or specific elements in your email design. Now, navigate to the Campaigns tab to create or edit a campaign. When you design your email, look for the text editor options. Here you will see the font choices available for your campaign. Select your custom brand font from the list. Make sure to preview your email to ensure the font appears as intended. Once satisfied, finalize your campaign settings and send your email. This way, your emails will reflect your brand identity with the custom fonts you've selected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.